All right, so hold on, let me see if I can get a better image of this. I figured out what was wrong. This is the starter. This is the solenoid. And as you could see, it melted. Like, I guess it was working way too hard. And this part on the starter also seemed to have melted. Like, we could take a closer look right there. So yeah, this is no good no more. And we're gonna have to replace that starter, which is unfortunate because I didn't want to have to, but I guess when you have to, you have to. So to take out the starter, we had to take off this here bolt. We had to take off this here bolt. And then this one. And then this one back here, it's got like a tiny one hidden back right there. I don't know if you can see it, I'm pointing right at it, like right here. But yeah, essentially we have to take those off. Okay, so I brought the sucker out, or I guess inside, because I'm inside the apartment right now. But you can kind of see right here where I guess it burned due to oil getting in there, maybe while it was trying to start or run. It just combusted, and it doesn't look good in there. So I can tell you that's probably why the van wasn't starting. So we're gonna head to AutoZone and get the starter switched out. So we'll be back. All right, so I didn't actually get footage of it, but I put the new starter in. Put all the spark plugs back in, just everything. Yeah, I mean, now we're just gonna turn it on and see. Okay, everything's connected. We're just gonna let it do its thing for a second. Ugh.